Hello all SGTians. In the last video, I explained you that how to find the formula of Sn, or we can say derivation of formula of Sn, which was explained by me to you in the last video. I explained to you this formula, the derivation of this formula, Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn is n upon 2a plus l. So if you haven't seen this video yet, so do see it. I am putting the link of this video in which I have explained you the derivation in the description of this video. So today we are going to start standard 10th arithmetic progression, exercise number 5.3. So the first question is, find the sum of the following AP. It's 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. So students, in this particular sum, the first term is 2. The difference is a2 minus a1, that is 5. And please check how many terms are there. Total number of terms are 10. और क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है फाइंड द सम. सम मीन्स Sn फाइंड करना. सो फॉर्मूला ऑफ Sn, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This Sn formula we have to apply. Let's put the value. Value of n is 10, a is 2, n is again 10, and difference is 5. So 10 upon 2 will be 5, 2 2s are 4, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 5s are 45. So we get 5 into 49, and that is 245. So here we complete the first sum. Going further, moving on to the next one now, similar to this. The question is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, and so on up to how many terms? 12 terms. Up to 12 terms. So here the value of a is minus 37. The difference is a2 minus a1. So minus 33 plus 37. The answer will be 4. Difference is 4. And now let us apply the formula of Sn. Sn is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is n? N is given 12. Value of a is minus 37. Again n is 12. And difference is given 4. Right. So what is 12 by 2? 12 by 2 is 6. 37 2s are 74. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 4s are 44. So minus 74 plus 44. If you subtract, you get minus 30. So the final answer is minus 180. Fine students. So this was sum number 2. Now sum number 3 you will try yourself. I am starting with sum number 4. The question is 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10, and so on up to 11 terms. I repeat, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 up to 11 terms. So let's start the sum. So here n is given 11. Right. A is 1 upon 15. Difference will be a2 minus a1. 12 और 15 इनका LCM होता है 60. 12 की टेबल में 60 कब आता है 5 15 की टेबल में 60 कब आता है 4 12 5 60, 15 4 60. So the difference is 1 upon 60. Now let's go further. Now here up to 11 terms. So n is 11. So I'm applying the formula of Sn first. So Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is given 11. So S11 equal to 11 upon 2. A is 1 upon 15. n is 11 and difference is 1 upon 60. So 11 upon 2 as it is. 2 ones are 2. So that will be 2 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 ones are 10 upon 60. 0, 0 cancel. Now take the LCM of 15 and 6, that is 30. 15 in the table of 15, just check when you get 30. So 15 की table में 30 2s are right. So 2 into 2 becomes 4. And in the table of 6, when you get 30, 5s are. So 5 into 1 is 5. So finally you get 11 upon 2 into 9 upon 30. That is, let's cancel this by 3. 3 3s are and 3 10s are. So the final answer is 33 upon 20. So students, here we complete question number 1. Now moving further to question number 2. Now in question number 2, the heading is given, find the sum given below. Okay, and the first question is 7 plus 10 integer 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus dot 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 till 84. So here we have the question. Now students, please check. We know the value of a. A हमें मालूम है. What is a? Difference भी हम find कर सकते हैं. We can even find the difference. But we don't know how many terms are there. We don't know the value of n. Instead of that, we know the last term. Last term is 84. So please look, a is 7. Difference will be a2 minus a1. 2 tens are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 upon 2 minus 7. So take LCM everybody. 7 2s are 14. So difference will be 7 upon 2. Now use the last term as an. To find n, last term को an ले लो. An is 84. So a plus n minus 1 into d is 84. A is 7. N we don't know. Difference is 7 upon 2 equal to 84. So let's take the next step now. 7 as it is. 7 into n, 7n, and 7 ones are 7. Fine students. Now let's go further. Now 7n upon 2 as it is. These two numbers we shift on to the next side, to the other side. So this is what we get. 7n upon 2 equal to 84 minus 7 will be 77. Now let's take the LCM. 77 2s are 154. So 2 cancel from both sides. 7n equal to 161. So n is 161 upon 7. N is 23. I repeat, the value of n is 23. And now we have to find Sn. So Sn equal to n upon 2 a plus l. Because the last term is given to us. Just check. The value of last term is given to us. So we will use the second formula. Students, can we use the first formula in this sum? The answer is certainly yes. First formula you can use anywhere. Whichever formula you use, the answer will remain the same. So I am using this formula. Here I am taking n as 23. First term is 7 and the last term is 84. So 23 upon 2 into 91. So now please multiply 23 and 91. That is 2093. Divide by 2. Clear? Now see students, here the some of the terms are in integer type. So let us divide this also into integer. 2093 you divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. 0 as it is. 2 fours are 8. 1 left. 2 6 are 12. अगर आपको डायरेक्टली समझ में नहीं आया है तो प्लीज लुक सी हियर. When you divide, 2 ones are 2. Then 2 nines are 8. and 2 6 are 12. So remainder is 1. So 1046 integer 1 upon 2. This is your final answer. And this is question 2, sum number 1. Okay. Now let's go further and start sum number 2. So this is the question. Let's copy A first. A is 34. Difference A2 minus A1, that is minus 2. A2 minus A1, that is minus 2. The last term take as AN. Apply AN formula. A plus N minus 1 into D. A is 34. N we don't know. Difference is minus 2. So keep 34 as it is. Minus 2 into N is minus 2N. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. 34 plus 2 is 36. Take 36 on the other side. So minus 2N equal to minus 26. So we get the value of N as 13. Clear? Still we have to find the sum. Sn find करना बाकी है. So Sn equal to N upon 2. A plus L. N is 13. A is 34. Last term is 10. So 13 upon 2 into 44. Divide 44 by 2. So you get 22. So the final answer is 286. So the sum of 13 terms is 286. Students, having done the first two sums with you, I think the third sum you can easily do yourself. And now we are moving onwards to question number 3. Now in question 3, first sum, it is given that A equal to 5, difference is 3, nth term is given 50, and we need to find N and Sn. दो चीजें find करनी है, N and Sn. So let's begin. Nth term is 50. So let us apply the formula of nth term first. A is given 5, difference is given 3. 5 as it is. 3 into n, 3n. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 3n plus 2 equal to 50. So 3n is 50 minus 2. That is 48. So you got 3n 48. So n is 48 by 3. And 48 by 3 is 16. So we got n 16. Now we have to find Sn also. So Sn. Now Sn means, let us apply the formula. N upon 2 A plus L. So here we have taken N as 16. First term is 5. And students, last term means An. Always keep in mind that L and An are one and the same. So last term is 50. 16 upon 2 is 8. 50 plus 5, 55. So the final answer is 440. So students, we found out N and Sn, and here we complete question number 1. Now moving onwards to question number 2. It is given to you that value of A is 7, A13 is 35, and we need to find out difference and S13. Two things we have to find, difference and S13. So let's begin with A13. A13 is 35. So the formula of A13 is A plus 12D. A is given 7. Difference I don't know. So 12D equal to 35 minus 7. So from 35 please subtract 7. So you get 28. So difference is 28 upon 12. दोनों को 4 से divide कर दो. So you get 7 upon 3. This is your difference. 7 upon 3. Next, what you have to find? You have to find S13 also. So S13, पहले हम Sn की फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं, n/2 a plus l. So S13 will be 13/2, a is 7, and what is L? L will be total. We have to find S13. तो जब S13 फाइंड करना है, so L means last term will be A13. Whenever you have to find S13, A13 will be a last term. Suppose you have to find S22, then A22 will be a last term. So यहाँ पे S13 फाइंड करना है, so A13 will be the last term. So 13/2 into 42. So 13 into 21. Final answer 273. Fine students. So here we complete sum number 2. Now moving further to sum number 3 everybody. Now sum number 3 is similar to sum number 2. So I leave that for you and I move further to sum number 4. Now in sum number 4, A3 is given 15 and S10 is given 125. And please check what we have to find. We have to find two things. First we have to find D and second we have to find A10. We need to find D and A10. Okay sir. First of all, let's start with A3. Let's apply the formula of A3. The formula of A3 is A plus 2D. So A plus 2D is 15. So A equal to 15 minus 2D. Let us give this as equation 1. Now go further. S10. The value of S10 is 125. So apply Sn formula. So n/2. Now instead of n, put 10. So 10/2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I repeat, Sn की फॉर्मूला ही लगानी है, बट n की जगह 10 लगाना. So 10/2 is 5. Value of a is 15 minus 2d. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, so let's multiply. 15 2s are 30. 2d into 2 is 4d plus 9d equal to 125/5. ये 5 अपॉन में आ जाए. So what you get 9d minus 4d? So 9d minus 4d is 5d. So 5d plus 30 equal to 25. So 5d equal to 25 minus 30. 5d equal to minus 5. So d is minus 5/5. So value of d is minus 1. ठीक है, d मिल चुका है हमको. d is minus 1. Now put the value of d in equation 1. Okay, so a equal to 15 minus 2d. Right, so keep 15 as it is. Difference is minus 1. So value of a will be 17. And at last, please check what you have to find. You have to find A10. I repeat, you have to find A10. So A10 will be a plus 9d. A is 17. Difference is minus 1. So 17 minus 9, the answer is 8. Correct? So here we complete question 4. Students, I leave fifth sum for you. You just try fifth and let's move on to sum number 6 now. Now sum number 6 में please check. Value of a is 8. An is 62 and Sn is 210. I'm sorry students, value of a is 2, difference is 8. By mistake I have copied 7th question. In the 6th question it is given that a is 2, difference is 8, Sn is 90 and we need to find n and an. Two things we have to find, n and an. Okay, so how to begin? We begin with this formula Sn. Sn is 90. So apply the formula of Sn first. So keep n as it is. Instead of a put 2. N we don't know. Difference is 8. And this 2 will multiply with 90. So 2 into 90 is 180. So n as it is. 2 2s are 4. 8 into n, 8n. Okay, so 8n as it is. Minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Let's multiply. So 8n square minus 4n. Bring 180 this side. Minus 180 equal to 0. Take 4 common. 4 2s are. 4 1s are. And 4 45s. Now what we have to do, students? We have to split the middle term. Split the middle term में क्या करते हैं? We have to multiply A and C. A means 2 and C is minus 45. So we get minus 90. Now think of the tables of 90. 1 into 90, 2 into 45, 3 into 30. Okay, 5 into 18, 6 into 15, 9 into 10. Now out of all these tables, just think, कहाँ माइनस करने से we get 1. We should get minus 1. Where do we get minus 1? Subtracting which two numbers we get minus 1? 18 minus 5, is it 1? No. 15 minus 6, is it 1? No. 10 minus 9, is it 1? Yes. We want minus 1, so give minus sign to 10 and plus sign to 9. So these are your two factors, minus 10 and 9. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. Take common. In the first two terms, what is common? 2n. Clear? Now in the next two terms, let's take 9 common. So we take 9 common, we get n minus 5. So that will be 2n plus 9 and n minus 5 equal to 0. So therefore 2n equal to minus 9, or here we have n equal to 5. So n equal to minus 9 upon 2, n equal to 5. But students, as you all know that n matlab number of terms, and number of terms is always a positive integer. But n is always a positive integer. So out of this two, n is 5 because minus 9 upon 2 is not possible. So we got n, and the next that they are asking us to find is an. So an matlab a5 because n is 5, and the formula of a5 is a plus 4d. Value of a is 2 and difference is 8. So finally we get the answer 34, and here we complete sum number 6. Now in this particular sum 7th, a is given 8, an is given 62, sn is given 210, and we have to find n and d. So students, the formula of Sn is n upon 2 a plus l, as we all know. Sn is given 210, n we don't know. A is 8, l is 62. So 210 into 2, cross multiply, and 62 plus 8 is 70. So take 17 denominator and let's cancel this. So you get a value of n equal to 6. After finding n, you have to find d also. Okay. Now see, n is 6. Question mein it was mentioned to you that an is 62. I repeat, in question it was mentioned that an is 62. Now we got the value of n, that is 6. So let us use that. So n is 6. So a6 is 62. a6 means a plus 5d. A is 8. So 5D equal to 62 minus 8. That is 54. So the difference is 54 upon 5. That's your final answer. Correct? First you have to find n, and then an is given 62. So a6 is 62. Then put the value of a, you will find difference. Right, students? So this was a very simple sum number 7. Now in sum number 8, an is 4, difference is 2, sn is minus 14, and we have to find n and a. So how to begin this sum? Have a look. First of all, an is given 4. An means a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 4. Now we don't have the value of a with us. Clear? But we do have the value of n. No, we don't have that also. Difference is 2. So a plus 2 into n is 2n. So a plus 2n equal to 4 plus 2. So a plus 2n is equal to 6. So a equal to 6 minus 2n. Let's give this as equation 1. A equal to 6 minus 2n. Going further, Sn is given to us. Sn is minus 14. Now the formula of Sn is n upon 2 a plus l. So we don't know what is n. A means 6 minus 2n. L means the last term, that is 4. Last term is given 4. Okay, so n as it is. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 14 goes in cross multiplication. So 10n minus 2n square equal to minus 28. So take this two term that side. So 2n square minus 10n minus 28. Take 2 common. Now students, इसके बाद हम लोग करने वाले हैं split the middle term. 14 के factors निकालो, minus करने से 5 आना चाहिए. So the factors will be 7 2s. Clear? So take common. Here also take common. So what you get? N minus 7, n plus 2. So n will have two values, 7 and minus 2. But as you all know, n cannot be negative. So the correct value of n is 7. Right. What else we have to find here? We have to find a also. So look here. Equation 1. A equal to 6 minus 2n. So instead of n, let's put 7. So 6 minus 14. So value of a is minus 8. So we got value of n7. And then from equation 1, we got a equal to minus 8. Now in the ninth sum, we need to find out d. So s means Sn only, so don't get confused there. So Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's put the value. 192 equal to 8 upon 2, 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d. So obviously 8 upon 2 is 4, 3 2s are 6 plus 7d. So 192 upon 4 is equal to 6 plus 7d. So 192 please divide by 4. Just check what you get. 48. So 48 equal to 6 plus 7d. So we get 7d equal to 42. So difference is 6. So students, again a very simple sum. We just have to find difference here. Okay. And now finally question 3 ka last sum number 10. Here the last term is given 28. Sn 144. Last term 28. Sn 144, number of terms n, and we have to find a. So use the formula Sn equal to n upon 2 a plus L, 144 equal to 9 upon 2 a plus 28. Now let's cross multiply. So 144 into 2 upon 9 equal to a plus 28. So 144, if you divide by 9, you get 16, and 16 2s are 32. So finally, if you subtract 32 and 28, you get 4. So students, here we complete the first video of exercise 5.3. Here we have completed sum number, question number 1, 2 and 3. So please practice them very well. In between, some sums I have not done because I want you to practice. So practice this perfectly, and in the next video we will come up with the problem sums of 5.3. Till then, bye bye.